Spine straight, shoulders upright. Eyes closed. And breathe in, breathe out. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And with every breath, see yourself or feel that you are moving into a relaxed mode. Your attention is on your breathing. It's like you are counting your breathing, because counting your breathing will help you to stop that overthinking. Your focus will move on to your breathing. The way you are breathing, feel it. And slowly make your breathings deep. Full attention on your breathing. Keep doing it. Start noticing the sensation of the air which is moving in and out of your mouth. Also, rise and fall of your belly. When you breathe, your belly comes out. When you breathe out, belly goes in. Now, make your breathings deep. Feeling the air of the breathing, feeling the sensation in your body, activity of your belly, and just breathing. No thoughts, nothing. इस ब्रीदिंग को डाइवर्ट करना अपनी हर बॉडी पार्ट पर, और वहां से नेगेटिव एनर्जी को एक्सहेल करके दूर निकालना. So when you inhale, divert this breathing, this fresh air, towards your head. And exhale through your mouth. Now, move it towards the back of your head. Inhale the light, freshness, and exhale the heaviness, tension, any type of toxic thought when you exhale. On your right and left brain, inhale and exhale. on your face. Inhale and keep releasing these thoughts, any type of negative sensation, any type of feeling which you feel is not supporting you, towards your neck. Release it. On your shoulders, arms, elbow, wrist, hands, fingers, and your palms. On your chest, fill your lungs with fresh air, and when you exhale, release any type of congestion, heaviness, tension. Intestine, liver, and spleen, kidney area, joints which are connecting your legs and your body, on the back side, your spine, lower back, butt area, your thighs, knees, legs, ankles, your fingers, and the soles of your feet. एक बार फिर deep breathing, and this time whole body. अब यहाँ से आपको उन थॉट्स को लेना है जो थॉट्स आपके माइंड में आते हैं. टेक वन बाय वन एंड सिंपली एक्नॉलेज दैट थॉट. उस थॉट को एक्नॉलेज करना है और उस थॉट से ही पूछना है कि आप मुझे क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव मैसेज यू आर गिविंग मी. And what is the first point comes in your mind when you say this sentence to this thought कि आप मुझे क्या मैसेज देना चाह रहे हो. What is your positive intention behind this thought? And what is the message? If you want, you can write that message. जो भी पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन आती है उस थॉट की, you can write it. And once you are done, again close your eyes. And then move on to another thought. What is the message? What is the thought? Just again acknowledge it and ask what is the positive intention. क्या इस थॉट में कोई पॉजिटिव मैसेज है मेरे लिए? और अगर है तो वो मैसेज क्या है, मुझे बताओ. और जब आपको वो मैसेज मिल जाता है, आप उस थॉट को बोल दो, नाउ यू मे गो, एंड दैट थॉट डिसअपियर्स, या डिसॉल्व हो जाता है या डिसअपियर हो जाता है. आपने उस थॉट को एक्नॉलेज कर दिया, उसकी पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन ले ली, और वो थॉट वहां से डिसअपियर हो जाता है. आपको उनको जबरदस्ती पुश नहीं करना थॉट्स को, ना ही उसको होल्ड करना है. उसको सिर्फ पूछना है, व्हाट इज योर पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन, व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव मैसेज, जस्ट टेल मी. Whatever the message comes, the first thought comes, like whatever the message you receive in the beginning, write it. When you come back again, eyes closed, breathing, and take the next thought. And what is the positive intention behind this thought? And then ask that thought to move away. I have acknowledged you, now you can go. Take next 2 more thoughts. What is the positive message? And write the positive intention. Just go through all these thoughts and the messages you have received. And just say to yourself, I have acknowledged all those thoughts which were bothering me. Now I command my subconscious mind to protect me from these types of thoughts which can disturb my routine, my mind, and my body. Three times deep breathing. And now imagine a white light that is a bright light or energy at the center of your chest. This light is representing your strengths and your positivity. Give a color to this light, the color you love the most. एक स्पाइनल लाइट की तरह, like a circle. And now this light is expanding. This light is growing. When you inhale, the light is growing and expanding. And slowly this light is filling your entire body with positivity and warmth. Also, the circle of this light is creating a bubble around you, filled with positive energy, filled with the color you love the most, filled with the protection, filled with the security of universe, of God. Now, being into this bubble, say to yourself, this bubble, this protection has been created with my strengths. And these strengths are here to protect me, to save me, to heal me. You are filled with positivity, healing light in your bubble, which is expanding every moment. When you exhale, when you inhale, it increases, it protects you, it is making your aura powerful. Focusing on these strengths, find out 10 strengths for yourself. I am healthy. I am powerful. I have the power to handle any situation. I am the head of the family. I manage them. I manage my health. I manage my emotional mind. I manage my thoughts. I manage my confidence. When I am into this bubble, I am taking good decisions. I am taking neutral decisions. Now, I command this light using my subconscious to be with me 24/7 for 7 days from now. This light is in the automation mode with the blessings of universe and the God I believe in, with the blessings of my family and the people who are significant in my life. 3 more deep breathings. Keep absorbing this positive energy. Keep absorbing the positive light, the bright light into your mind, your body. With every breathing, I am becoming great. I am becoming powerful. I am becoming confident. I am becoming a good decision maker. When I have to take decision, I take that without any second thought. Because my bubble, my light, my God, my universe is guiding me. Thank you, universe. Thank you, light. Thank you, my inner guide, for being with me. Thank you, everyone, into my vibration. And once you feel okay, come back. Just rub your hands, put them on your eyes, on your face, feel the warmth